Year 1 September test, question 3, worth 5 marks. X to the power of 2/3, take away x to the power of 1/3, take away 6 is nothing. This is a disguised quad. We recognise a disguised quad, and there's lots of different varieties of disguised or hidden quads. We recognise them all because in descending powers of x, when we've got 3 terms in this way, if we square the middle term, so if we do x to the power of 1/3 squared, number to a power to a new power times the powers together, we've got that. And oh look, x to the power of 2/3 is this term here. So this, if this term is the square of that term, as far as the x's are concerned, then we've got a quad, as long as the power of x at the end is 0. So the easiest way to approach this is the middle term, x to the power of 1/3, we substitute for a y, and then we can rewrite that bit as y squared, because if we square y, we've got to do x to the power of 1/3 squared. We know x to the power of 1/3 squared is this thing. So the x to the power of 2/3 we can replace by y squared, the x to the power of 1/3 we can replace by y, take away 6 equals 0, and we've got a quadratic in the way that we usually view a quadratic. Something squared, take away the something, not squared, take away number equals 0. This factorizes because 3 times 2 makes 6, and the difference between 3 and 2 is the 1y, the 1 that we got there is the coefficient of y in the middle. So we could write this as y minus 3 times y plus 2 equals 0, and solving this bracket equals 0, we get y equals 3, solving this bracket equals 0, we get y equals minus 2, and we're nearly done, but we haven't finished completely yet because the question says solve with the variable x used, so we need x, we need the value of x's, not the values of y. So, because y was equal to x to the power of 1/3, here look, we can get rid of the y, we can put our x to the power of 1/3 back. But x to the power of 1/3 is the same as the cube root of x, that's the same as 3 in this case, and to get x by itself we need to cube both sides, so we get 3 cubed, and that's 27, or x to the power of 1/3 equals x cubed, the cube root of x, and that's equal to the minus 2 bit. So we got rid of that y, and we substituted back the x to the power of 1/3 thing from here, and to get rid of the cube root, we cube it, and minus 2 cubed is the same as minus 2 cubed. And that's minus 8. And there we go.